Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide calendars you don't use an iPhone. So all this little gray tick mark you see right below the number, like in below 11, below 10, all these little gray dots you see are events. So if you want to hide any events which you don't want to see on your calendar, what you can do is click on the day. So I'm going to click on day 8 because that's the event I want to hide. Once you're inside the day, you can see the calendar at the bottom. You want to click on calendars, and over here you can see tons of check mark being shown. So whichever thing is tick marked, that event is going to be shown. So let's say I want to hide an event. I want to hide the event called birthday. What I need to do is uncheck birthday. Once birthday is unchecked, now I'm not going to be shown birthday event on my calendar. Now to select that, I can click on done at the top right. Once I click on done, it's basically done. Now the birthday event is going to be hidden. So that is how you guys can hide calendars you don't use on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.